Get rid of snoring problems. Useful tips and guides to prevent snoring problems. You want to learn how you can get rid of the way you snore and not annoy anyone around you while you sleep. We have few tips for you on how to do that. The anti-snoring guard. Mouth guard. An anti-snoring mouth guard may help you sleep better if you are bothered by snoring. A doctor or dentist can provide you with a comfortably fitting mouthpiece that will keep your teeth together, thereby preventing the muscles in your jaw from relaxing too much, which is probably contributing to your snoring. Throat exercises. Ready to stop snoring? There are some throat exercises you can do to keep your throat muscles stronger. One thing you can do is repeat the 5 vowels out loud consistently for 3 minutes consecutively, several times a day. Building your throat muscles will reduce your instances of snoring. If you suffer from respiratory allergies, these can be causing your snoring because it could cause you to breathe through your mouth while sleeping. Therefore, you should consider consuming an antihistamine right before bed to help. If you have a stuffed up nose, take an over-the-counter saline spray or consider putting a dehumidifier. Buy pillows that help prevent or minimize snoring. Are you snoring a lot? Think about buying more pillows or simply purchasing a bigger one. Lying on your back tends to give you bad posture that will constrict the air passages within your throat. By raising your upper body while you sleep, the tissues in your throat will be more open and able to take in the airflow more easily. There is a lot you can do to get rid of the snoring that can be annoying while you sleep. With these tips, you can be assured that it will significantly improve your snoring problems. So use the tips above and just get rid of any unwanted snoring while you sleep. Also check out pedicpillow.org for more info about pillows that help you get rid of your snoring problems.